Hello everyone, welcome back to GeekDisorder's web series over HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and jQuery. This is Lavik. I'll be walking you through this series. Since we're starting CSS, I wanted to take a second and go over testing your CSS in IE. Because as we start to get into CSS3 and building our web pages with HTML5, it's important to test those web pages in multiple browsers and multiple versions of those browsers that are commonly used. With Chrome and Firefox, this really isn't a big issue. You can install multiple versions and test in them, and it's pretty easily. With IE, you run into an issue though. It's pretty difficult to install multiple versions of IE on your computer. There are other ways to do it that are also difficult, like for the average user, like virtual machines and such. The best way I've found is to use the IE developer tools. And right here I have IE10 installed on my computer. I pull up the GeekDisorder webpage. If I go ahead and press F12, it'll bring up my developer tools. And what I'm mainly interested in is this browser mode. If I click on it, I can go back to Internet Explorer 7, and it will show me what my web page will look like in Internet Explorer 7. There's 8, 9, and 10. Okay, this is the easiest way I've found to test my web pages in multiple versions of IE. And you might have noticed IE6 wasn't on that list, but IE6 is pretty much dying out, and those that still use it for my audience probably aren't visiting my website, so I'm not too worried about IE6. But that's just me. You might be. And for testing in IE6, you will have to find another way to do that, because obviously right now this does not support IE6. Okay, well, this has been Lavik. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy our content, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all next time.